Hello and welcome to Garden Glow, your mindfully cozy green space. If you are just starting and your garden is an empty patch rather than a peaceful place, you are not alone. That's exactly where I started. Here's how I created my little garden step by step. First, I considered how I wanted the space to feel. Quiet, calm, and personal. Then I added a compact seating corner and added cushions and light textures to help create the comfort I needed. Raised planters helped me maximize space, and I selected plants that felt easy and comforting: herbs, greens, and soft florals. String lights offered a warm glow in the evenings, and a small water bowl provided a light, calming sound. Over time, my once bare yard began to transform into a serene place that I enjoy spending time in. If you're just beginning, remember to take your time. One thoughtful touch at a time is all it takes. I hope this gave you some ideas. Please like and comment, and remember to subscribe to Garden Glow for more slow garden inspiration for your gardening journey. Until next time.